Seven dangerous human skills. For a second, the world goes silent. No wind, no sound, no fear. Just a human alone in the sky. Time feels slower than ever before. His heart beats loud, but his mind still calm. The ground is far below, the sky is all around him. And in that moment, nothing else matters. No pain, no pressure, no limits. Only pure freedom. His body is falling, but his soul feels like it's flying. This is not a moment of fear, this is a moment of absolute control. Because only those with insane skills